Hi guys!
Today we're going to open the BLACKPINK Highlight That CD. So here's the photo book, here's the photo cards, here's the poster, and here's something extra we got. It's the BLACKPINK stationery.
Yep.
So here we go. So excited. So first we'll start with the poster. Ooh. Wow!
Oh wow.
Look at that! I like that. Wow. It's so cool. Except it's so big that we can hardly show it all. Okay.
Yes. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's double-sided.
Two-sided. Wow. That's awesome.
How you like that?
I love it. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay, so let's go with this one. Whoa!
Whoa!
It's the CD. It fell out. Good thing
Wow,
we
it's so
have soft
pretty.
surface.
Black and pink.
Okay, let's see. Is there two things? I thought I saw two things.
Oh, this cover is really pretty.
And it's hologram.
It's holographic. Wow.
Yeah, I
it's so
love
cool.
it. I love it. And I think it's because of this like plastic
Wait.
kind of thing.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wait a minute. Does it have anything? No.
This
It's just.
texture right here is really soft and smooth.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
God.
Oh my god. I love it.
Wow. Wait,
Wow.
upside down. What does it say?
I'll kiss you goodbye.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That's from the teaser. Isn't
Wow.
it? Like when they were doing the whole group, this is their outfits.
Yeah, I seen the music video. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I love Rose's hair.
And also, if you didn't watch it, you can watch the How You Like That from me. We already
Yeah, she
did
made
it.
a movie, I mean a teaser.
Yeah. Same.
Oh my god, this hair looks so good on her. Wow.
And I remember when we were doing...
See this? Okay, this one was the one of the teaser posters. It's beautiful. Love it. Wow,
Remember
look at Jisoo.
when we were doing Jenny? We had to put those pinkish things under my eyes.
Look at
and I'm like,
Look at you now. Look
look
at
at
me.
look at you now, look at
Wow.
look at you now.
Those nails. Oh my god. This photo book is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this.
You may not know what
Oh
we
wow.
used.
I love this. Wow.
Wow.
This is the other one. Oh my god, Lisa looks so cool. Wow. These are beautiful photos. Oh my gosh.
Remember when
Their single is so good. Oh my god.
remember when we were doing the MV teaser? I feel like when I was doing Jisoo, it was the
Oh,
hardest, so they
yeah,
have
she's
to
so
do
pretty.
more moves and practice more.
For Jisoo.
Yeah,
Wow.
They did a lot of
Jisoo is
stuff.
so beautiful.
and the black and white concept.
I love her. Oh my god, her hair is so cool. Wow.
Oh, well, I was also wondering, what's up with this red stuff? Wow. Wow. I love their outfits.
Oh, what is this? Another poster?
Yeah.
Oh! It's the poster. Oh my god.
That was like the poster from when
They're one of their teasers. Yeah.
Happy teaser.
Wow.
Amazing. And
Oh.
something else.
We have another one. Oh, gift card.
And
There you
we
go.
got Rose on here.
We got Rose in here too. We're lucky.
Is
Wow,
it because my middle name is Rose and
Oh, I love this dress.
yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that. How you like that?
I love it.
I love the colorful shots. Look at rainbow.
Oh my gosh.
These are
Oh my god.
these are totally different from the other pages.
Yes.
This is more like from the real Envy.
Wow.
I know.
Oh my
The
gosh.
shines, their outfits.
I love their outfit in black though. When they're like under the wings. Remember that dress? Those dresses that they were wearing? Those are my favorite. And then the red dress.
Look at this chain.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Oh my god.
I just noticed their nails are always so
Crazy.
long in here.
I don't believe it.
Crazy long.
Oh my god. This looks so good on Rose. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. So yeah, that's...
It kind of...
And then what
makes me
happened to
think
our
of-
other photo cards?
Oh, what?
So anyways, we're gonna
I
open
think
this
you
one
just-
too. Oh, we have extra photo cards too.
And they all...
Let's open it.
Oh. The pictures in the photo
Oh.
kind of remind me
Rose.
of like, majestic angels.
Rosie. Wow, everything is rose? Rosé? Wow. I have no complaints. I love it. And then we're gonna open this stationery.
Like,
This is what it
their
looks like.
outfits here, it kind of reminds me of majestic.
I'm just curious what it
fashion
is.
Angels.
Fashion angels.
Majestic fashion angels.
Wow.
Kind of reminds me of that kind of thing.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh.
Ooh, this is so. New tapes.
Oh my god, ruler.
Ooh,
A pen.
and of course it's BLACKPINK.
Oh, a marker.
I think some of them were supposed to go in here, but then they fell
It's
out.
What's
Sticker.
this?
These
Ooh,
these-
clips. These are clips.
these aren't scratch
Paper
and smell,
clips.
right?
So nice.
It's-
And then let's see. It looks
They
like this.
have
Whoa.
different-
Oh, they're concert photos.
Look,
Wow.
look, they all have the same stickers.
Okay, but let's show this one first. Wow. Look. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Aww.
What is this? Oh, they're so cute.
Look. Oh my god.
What are these?
These are so cool. I love it. Revolution. Greatest hits. Revolution. Blackpink. That's right. So anyways, these are the stickers. And like what she said, they're all the same.
Which means we could use some of them.
I could use some. Oh my
Look at
god.
these. They're supposed to be like paper clips.
Yeah.
Except they're little black things.
It's so cute. Solo. What?
Almost.
Did I say solo?
It's so.
So or 8080.
And here are some party tapes.
Oh my
Moving the
goodness.
table.
She's moving the table. There you go. Blackpink. They're so cute.
Look at this.
Alright guys, so that's what we have for now.
Is there anything else?
I hope you guys like the video.
Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell. And stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.